Hello, I just got this 36 piece, 5-inch sanding discs. They have 8 holes in it. Let me take it out of the package and show you what it looks like and maybe give it a little demo with my sander. Okay, this is a variety pack. So you got 3000 grit, 2000, 1500, 1200, 1000, 800, 600, 400, and 240. So this is like a variety pack. There's 4 each of each grit. So let me put it on my sander here and see how it works. All right, it fit perfectly on my sander, as you can see. And let's give it a try. And you can see where it's sanded. It's nice and smooth, and over here is rough. So if you guys need some sanding disc, a variety pack, I would go ahead and get this. It looks pretty good. Thanks.